Zucchini muffins in the pie maker. 100 grams of cubed cheese, 170 grams of onion, we're going to dice that, 4 eggs, 200 grams of self-raising flour in here that's been sifted. It's 400 grams of zucchini. Just cut the little short end off it and leave this on because you can use that as a handle when you're grating it and then you don't have to worry about your fingers getting hit. 50 grams of melted butter, a bit of veggie salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, we've grated our zucchini and look at the little handle. Hasn't gone anywhere near my fingers, and that's all of our zucchinis. Our onions are diced finely, our zucchinis are grated. You could squeeze the excess moisture out of this if you like, but there's no real need to. The flour will absorb it. Okay, time to put this fellow together. We're going to just dump our eggs in our butter to start with, and I'm going to melt a little bit more butter in that container and use it to grease our pie maker top and bottom so it doesn't stick. I've got some paprika here. I'm going to sprinkle on top of it, but I'm also going to put a little sprinkle inside it as well. There you go, about a quarter of a teaspoon there. I've got a full teaspoon of vegetable salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Now this is basically a dump and mixture method. We're just going to tip our eggs and butter in with our sour cream and mix that all around before we add our remaining ingredients. Pie maker can go on now to preheat, and you only want to just mix this through. It doesn't need to be beaten or anything. Do it by hand, you don't need a mixer for this. Now you can put chilies, capsicum, jalapenos, anything you want in this. Onion, in they go, nice and finely chopped. Little cubes of cheese, grated if you like, but these little power bites are beautiful. Spring onions, in they go now. And we'll just fold this through before we get our zucchini in there because it's going to be quite wet and quite full. So we want to get this sort of started. Okay, here we go with our zucchini. Just mix that through and then we start cooking it. Baste our top and bottom of our pie maker with butter, melted butter, and you can turn them over if you want to, but we're just going to use a cookie scoop to put it in there, and we're going to have nice cheesy zucchini muffins. Just mix that all through. See how simple it is? You can cook this in one big slice in the oven if you wanted to, and then cut it into slices, but this is just handy for a kid's birthday party that we're going to. There, that's all we have to do. They're risen beautifully, and we're just going to turn them over and get them nice and brown on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho's Pie Maker Zucchini Muffins. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. The onion's sweet, cooked right through. It's nice and soft and gooey in the centre and crispy on the outside and very cheesy.